Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Blackrock is saying, actually, Larry Fink, Blackrock CEO, that Bitcoin is an asset class itself. And let's talk about the ETF inflows, because they were the largest yesterday on the 14th of October since early June. Then we should also talk about that other companies, just like Samara Asset Group, is copying MicroStrategy's strategy, and actually these guys also issuing bonds, and with that money, what they're getting, they're buying even more Bitcoin for themselves. Also, we have Grayscale coming up with a new altcoin list, because they would like to make future investment products, and they're probably going to pick from that list of 35 altcoins. So guys, I'm going to show you that as well. So all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And for start, let's have a look at the prices, where we can see that Bitcoin is a little bit up, 1.2% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum 1.7% up. With that, Bitcoin 65,561, Ethereum 2,592 US dollar. The winner of the last 24 hours is so far Bitcoin Cash, actually. Then we have Cat in a Dog's World, 8% up in the last 24 hours, and we have Notcoin. Also about 8% up. Loser, Mog down 9%, recently went up quite nicely. Dog with Head down 7%, and Sui down 6%. So these guys went up recently, actually quite well. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, what we can see here, actually, first, kind of good things in a way that we broke above the 200-day moving average. That was kind of important, as you were here under it, and closed above it. Also, we closed above this, support line, which is 6,500, couple of hundred-ish. But we couldn't break this trend line, what you can see clearly here, and close above it. So we came back to this support, and it would be nice to see, a jump from here. When we're seeing the closing price of yesterday's candle, it was 66,065 US dollar, while the previous close was here. Was that the highest? Yeah, 65,858. So we have closed actually higher. That's good. We didn't go higher because the wick itself, the previous one was longer than yesterday's one, but overall that's a kind of good sign. But I would like to have a better confirmation of that uptrend, which means higher highs and higher lows. So we still have to do here something, but this is a kind of big trend line, which works as a resistance for a while, for half a year, kind of. Since when? Since April, basically, and it would be very important to break it. So we're going to see how it works out, or it was just another fake out. Well, time will tell. But now let's talk about the first topic, and the first topic is all about that basically BlackRock is saying that we believe that the Bitcoin is an asset class in itself, and Larry Fink has talked about this, so let me show you that. Okay, so it went all around in the social media. So BlackRock CEO Larry Fink declares Bitcoin an asset class rivaling gold in investment potential. And here you have the clip. Let me play it to you guys.
We believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself. It is an alternative to other commodities like gold. Well, of course, I'm not sure if either president or other candidate would make a difference. I do believe the utilization of digital assets are going to become more and more of a reality worldwide. Conversations we're having with institutions worldwide, conversations about how should they think about digital assets, what type of asset allocation there should be. I mean, we believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself.
Well, I'm not going to, it's edited, obviously, as you could see. but it was the earnings conference call, Q3 2024 from Blackrock. And yeah, they made this kind of statement here in this article. You can just read pretty much about the same, what was right there. And yeah, actually, US spot Bitcoin ETF see a $556 million inflow, which is the biggest day for them since early June. And well, here you can see it. It's $555.9 million, so almost 56. But you can see that this is a pretty big number. The previous number, on the 11th of October was 253. That was also kind of big. And yeah, BlackRock keep accumulating. Couple of days, 4 or 5 days altogether, when it was like outflow since the Bitcoin spot ETF started. So they are accumulating for sure. And just to put in perspective, look at this. Yesterday, 450 Bitcoin was mined just every single day. This is the daily amount of Bitcoin which can enter to the system. That's it, no more. And yesterday, 8,359 Bitcoin purchased by the US Bitcoin spot ETF. So these guys here, what you can see, right? So if you, calculate with this amount, which is more than $500 million US, and divide it with the Bitcoin price, this is what you will get. It clearly shows that there is a high demand for Bitcoin. And that's the reason why Bitcoin is still holding its price very well. And we're still waiting. We still can have a nice October. Well, since yesterday, we're looking much better than before that, at the beginning of October. But what will happen exactly, time will tell. But things overall right now looking actually pretty good. Election coming up, in about less than 3 weeks. So that's also could boost the market. Okay, now next topic. It's all about that more and more companies copying MicroStrategy's strategy. And what do I mean by this? Well, we have here Samara Asset Group, and what they're saying here, the CEO, Patrick Lowry, said that it would be a dream to stack as much Bitcoin as MicroStrategy co-founder Michael Saylor. And what are they doing? Actually, the publicly listed asset management firm, Samara Asset Group, is working to increase its Bitcoin holding with proceeds from 30 million euro bonds. So basically what they do, they're issuing these bonds, and there was also a post about it somewhere, wasn't it? Oh yeah, sorry, it was just front of my eye. So anyway, here you can see it. They were issuing these kind of bonds, and the money what they get from those bonds, they would like to invest it in Bitcoin. And what you can clearly see here, that they have now around 421 Bitcoin, and their goal until the end of this year, 2024, is to accumulate 1,000 Bitcoin. So they are on this train. They would like to get more copying MicroStrategy, and we see more and more companies to do this because what they do basically, they buy more Bitcoin because MicroStrategy did so. Therefore, their share price, stock price, actually went up because the company became more valuable, and the company is more valuable. They can actually issue more bonds, and with that money, buying even more Bitcoin. So that's what MicroStrategy did, and now other companies started to copying, which means purchasing even more Bitcoin. It's definitely good for the Bitcoin price, right? Okay, and the next topic. It's all about Grayscale because they would like to come up with, future investment products. And these are altcoins, and they made a list of 35 altcoins. They're going to pick the winners from there. And let's see what kind of altcoins they pick a couple of, which are on the list. So actually, Grayscale puts Doge, WorldCoin on a list of 35 potential crypto products. And well, we have also Pith and Rune, yeah, what they would like to do basically include, to list of assets that are under consideration. So now thinking about it for future investment products, and what had previously happened with those they picked for future investment product. The token, the price of those tokens went up. So whatever they pick have a great chance to have some price increase. So it's worth to watch the list, but now it's under consideration. So yeah, guys, these were the major news, I believe, for today. Don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to keep yourself up to date, because I think that's very, very important. And yeah, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.